How to change payment method on Temu application. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change payment method on Temu app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to open up your Temu. After you open up your Temu, you should see this page right here. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. After doing that, you can head over to the bottom right corner and now you're on your profile. After that, you'll need to tap on the top right corner where there is this gear icon and now you're on the settings. After you're on your settings, you will see your payment methods. After you see your payment methods, head over there and now you can add or remove a credit card or a debit card. Now to change a payment method, you can simply choose one from here. You can add another payment method and then just choose whichever you want to pay with. And that is how you can change your payment method on Temu application. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.